If you've been looking to give your beats a realistic, soulful sound, instead of just blending in using the same robotic VST sounds that everyone else has, this is the kit that you need. For the past 6 months, I've been working on this pack, and it's honestly like nothing I've ever seen before. It's no secret that real instruments have way more feeling, texture, and overall just a better, more soulful sound than VSTs do. But not everyone has the money to hire session musicians or the time to learn every instrument under the sun. So to help give you that soulful, real instrument sound at an affordable price, I've spent thousands of dollars and countless hours working with Grammy-nominated session musicians, vocalists, to give you affordable access to a massive library of real, professionally recorded vocals and instruments. In Elements of Soul, there's a total of 8 new kits, including loops, drums, vocals, a ton of live instrument phrases and live instrument one-shots, an analog lab bank, MIDI progressions, and even some mixing presets for RC20 and Effect Rack. This kit has everything that you need to get that real, authentic sampled sound without having to be worried about getting sued somewhere down the line. In just a second, I'm going to show you everything that comes with this pack, but I first just want to say this is easily my best and my biggest drop ever. This kit contains over 1,700 sounds, and for the next 2 weeks until Sunday, June 4th, you can get it for a heavily discounted price. Plus, you're going to get an insane in-depth bonus course as well. I'll explain more about that in a second, but honestly, I really just want to dive in and show you how insane this kit really is. Alright, so when you open up the Elements of Soul kit, you can see that we've got all 8 of those kits right there. Bunch of crazy stuff. Let's start off with the loop kit. As you can tell, super crazy. Moving on, we've got live instrument phrases and live instrument starters. Let's run through some of those. Some smooth bass lines. I love this one. And to go along with all those real instrument phrases and loops, we also have all of these live instrument one-shots, which are insane. Bunch of stuff like that. Then we've got the drum kit that comes with live drum breaks like this one. Also comes with drum fills to put before your beat drops like this. And then it's also got a full drum kit with a bunch of real drum sounds like live hi-hats, real kicks, live open hats, some bongos, tambourine toms, some real snares. And none of these are recycled. They're all real sounds from real drums to really give your beats a unique sound that stands out. Then we've got this crazy, huge folder of soulful vocals that are instantly going to give you an insane feeling in your beats. Yeah. Got some crazy riffs like this. Glory, glory, got top line melodies, chord progressions, all of that, key and BPM labeled. Analog lab bank. And as you can see, there's a ton of sounds in here, all made from real live instruments. Just check out how crazy these sounds are. They instantly give you that feeling that you need. And then for the final section of this kit, we've got the RC20 and Effect Rack presets. And as you can see, these are perfectly crafted for vintage stuff. We've got specific stuff for the master, for drums, bells, guitars. So you can go ahead and get that vintage sound right away on all of these sounds. But here's one of the best parts. I put together a super easy to follow course that breaks down all of the secrets behind my vintage samples. Just like the ones that have earned me Grammy nominated songs with people like Future, SZA, Lil TJ, DJ Khaled, and more. Trust me, combining all of these new kits and new sounds with all of the knowledge that I'm going to give you in this course, you're going to be making beats on a whole new level. So to sum it all up, if you purchase before Sunday, June 4th at midnight, you're going to get Elements of Soul, which is easily over $1,000 of value, but you're going to get it at a discounted price of $147. You'll also get access to my brand new Art of Soul sample course, which is valued at $300 completely for free. I truly believe that this is going to help you make some of your craziest music yet. If you want to see more details about what's really inside of this kit, just scroll down on this page. There's a ton of info, and at the very bottom, there's a full walkthrough where I go through every single folder of this kit in full detail so you can see exactly what you're buying. But that's it for me.